check this out. You're looking at a custom fitted teeth grill set. This one here is 10K white gold, and it has the diamond dust finish. As you can see, beautiful handmade custom grills. This is a 4 top, 4 bottom teeth. However, you can get this in other combinations as well. Show you the back side real quick. Okay, that's your back side 10K white gold grills, guys. Check it out. It's available on our website, blingcartel.com. Quality handmade work. Thank you for watching, guys, and as always, y'all have a good one.